Have you ever wondered how games are made, those addictive, immersive worlds that hold our attention for hours on end? It might seem like magic, but it's actually a process that anyone with enough dedication and creativity can learn. Today we'll be delving into the fascinating journey of game creation, breaking it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. First things first, every game starts with an idea. It could be a new twist on a classic platformer, a unique puzzle game, or an epic adventure in a world of your own creation. This idea forms the backbone of your game, the guiding light that informs every decision you make from this point forward. Once you have your idea, it's time to create a game design document. This is a comprehensive blueprint that outlines everything about your game, from its mechanics and level design to its story and characters. It's a living document that evolves as your game does, helping keep your project on track and ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. Next on the list is programming. This is where your game comes to life. Using a game engine like Unity or Unreal, you write the code that makes your game function. It's a bit like constructing a building, laying the foundation, erecting the walls, and adding the roof. Only instead of bricks and mortar, you're using lines of code. But what's a game without graphics? The next stage is to add the visual elements that make your game world tangible and engaging. This includes everything from the characters and environments to the user interface and special effects. It's a multi-step process that involves concept art, 3D modeling, texturing, and animation, each requiring a different set of skills and tools. Now, we have a functioning game, but it's not quite ready for prime time yet. It's time to test and refine. This is where you play your game over and over, hunting for bugs, tweaking gameplay, and polishing every aspect until it's as perfect as it can be. It's a painstaking process, but one that can make the difference between a good game and a great one. Finally, once you've polished your game to perfection, it's time to release it into the world. This could mean submitting it to an online store like Steam or the App Store, or even releasing it on your own website. And then you wait for the players to come, to explore the world you've created, and hopefully to fall in love with it just as you have. In summary, game creation is a journey that begins with an idea and ends with a finished product. Along the way, you'll create a game design document, write code, add graphics, test and refine your game, and finally release it for the world to enjoy. It's a complex process, but one that's richly rewarding, offering endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. So, the next time you dive into a game, take a moment to appreciate the journey that brought it to you. And who knows, maybe one day it'll be your game that others are losing themselves in.